Hmm. Everyone, one by one, give your introduction. Starting from Hers, who has already given, but now he can give again.
Okay, sir. So, hello everyone. This is Harsh Agrawala from Assam, and I'm currently pursuing my mechanical engineering in from mechanical branch, and I'm in the fourth year of it, and I'm 21 years old, and I'm looking forward to improve my communication skills and all that. Thank you very much.
Good. Rajat.
So hello everyone, my name is Rajat. I am in my third year pursuing mechanical engineering from Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. So I'm actually looking forward to explore something more about how cool it will be so that I can crack the placements and all. And also I'm actually working with few of the startups to explore my side also. And also more than that, I was looking, actually I'm having few research papers on my name also. So I'm just exploring my branch in my third year, and that's all about me.
Okay, good. Next, Saksham.
Yes, sir. My name is Saksham Pradeshi. I am from third year mechanical from Bhopal. Actually, I'm here for I'm here for GD actually and improve my communication skills for the placement. Thank you.
Good. Princey.
Yes, sir. Good evening. My name is Princess Jaiswal. I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and now I am pursuing BBA plus MBA integrated from Lovely Professional University, and now I am in second year.
Okay, good. Who's left?
Sir, me, Ajay.
Yes, Ajay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ajay Kumar, and I'm from BIT Sindri, pursuing chemical engineering, and currently I'm in third year.
Okay. All done, na? Okay, good.
Yes, I think.
Introduction is very important because whenever you go anywhere, na, you will feel that everyone asks for the introduction. So it should be like that habit of you that just it's as usual. Okay, so that's why I ask for introduction each and every time. Okay, so what do you think? What should be the today's topic? Everyone, one by one.
Online to
Lockdown.
offline classes.
What
Or online to offline classes.
online to
Lockdown.
class,
Online to offline classes.
lockdown. Any more thing?
Investment in space technology.
Investment in space technology. Okay. और कुछ? Everybody understand Hindi, right? If I would say
Yes.
something in the same.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We do
I'll try
understand.
in English only, but okay, if somehow some words will come out, then we'll manage. Okay, so these are the topics: online versus offline, lockdown, investment. Uh, but as when you will sit in the campus placement, it will be not as per your expectation. It might something different happens. Okay, so something unexpected. So let me uh, tell you the rules of the GD. What happened in actual campus placement is that you will have a piece of paper and a pen. Okay, so all of you have. You just have a pen,
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
piece of paper.
Yes,
I
sir.
have.
Yes. Sir.
I will reveal the topic now. After I reveal the topic, everyone is hearing me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
After I reveal the topic, you will have just 2 minutes to think on the topic. Okay? you will just have only 2 minutes to think on the topic, and after that, one by one, I will say that who will say the introduction of the topic. One by one, you have to introduce the topic only. Okay. You're not audible. You're saying something, Princey?
No, sir, no, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in the first part of the GD, what you have to do is just you have to give the introduction about the topic, right? And then I will say start your own GD, and then you have to do GD. Okay. And in that part, I will not interfere. And the final part, you have to give the what?
Conclusion.
Conclusion. So जब conclusion देना है मतलब जिसमें if you are how many students are there? 1 2 3 4 5 तो लगभग सबका आना चाहिए points. So you have to be a very good listener, right? दूसरों को सुनना है, ये नहीं अपना ही पॉइंट्स को कंक्लूजन में बोल दिए. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. और एक और चीज मैं बता देता हूँ आज के जीडी में, अगर कोई नहीं बोल रहा है तो उसे इनकरेज करें, इससे भी मिलता है मार्क्स. ठीक है, हैव डन, वी शुड गिव चांस टू हिम और हर. ओके, सो ऐसा बीच में अगर बोलना चाहे तो बोल सकता है, इस तरीके का भी होता है. तो ये सबसे कुछ मिलेगा मार्क्स. तो ओके, सो मैंने रूल समझा दिया, सब कुछ समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Everyone got? किसी को कोई दिक्कत है? Someone is saying sir.
सर कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट में भी ऐसा ही होता है क्या, मतलब ग्रुप डिस्कशन में?
Yes. एक राउंड मतलब there are 6 students ना, there will be 7, there will be 8 students ऐसे होंगे. ठीक है, यहाँ पे तुम लोग ऑनलाइन बैठो, अलग अलग बैठो, वहाँ पे एक साथ बैठोगे. ठीक है, और वहाँ पे भी सेम रूल रहेगा. पेन और पेपर देगा, you all will sit and you have to do the same way. मैं उसी तरीके से करवाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ जैसा कि होता है, as it is real. Okay, the same thing. So we should start now, right?
Yes sir, we can start now.
अभी जब आप लोग सोच रहे होगे तो तुम लोग क्या करो कि ऑडियो को मतलब म्यूट कर देना. ठीक है, ताकि किसी और का ऑडियो डिस्टर्ब ना करे. जब जो उसी वक्त ऑन करो, अच्छा रहेगा. अगर नॉइज नहीं है तो, अगर किसी के साइड से है नॉइज तो म्यूट रखा करो, अगर नहीं है तो उसको अनम्यूट ही रखो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, हर्ष, अजय,
Yes, sir.
प्रिंसी, रजत, सक्षम, ऑल आर रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, so today's GD topic is impact of privatization of PSU. Impact of privatization of PSUs. ठीक है ना टॉपिक? Okay, it's over. Time up.
Yes, sir.
Everyone see up, see on the camera. I want to see. No one is should write anything. Leave the pen and paper, everything. Put on your video.
Yes, sir.
Okay, over now. Princey,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
everyone is ready for the JD. So
Yes, sir.
start by Saksham.
Yes, sir. So today's topic is about the impact of privatization in PSU. So as we can see, I am actually not in the favor or against of it. I actually telling the facts that how it impact in the actual industries. Basically, I want to start with unemployment between the students. As we can see, I am a mechanical engineer, and I'm actually trying to get in the IT industry. Like Cognizant or any other industry, because in the mechanical field there are not any placements or placements and any other opportunities. And other thing is, if we to crack any PSU, if you want to enter any PSU sector, we have to give an entrance exam like GATE. It is difficult to crack. We all know about it, and the vacancies are not much today. Vacancies are not much for the students, and college curriculum, according the college syllabus is not up to mark according to the PSUs. The job security will be less if we privatize any company like BHEL and railways. I see in the railways, if it is he is privatizing any section, the output of any product is not coming up to the mark, and and the salary will be less in the private. If privatize any sector, the salary will be less of any, and competition will be more between the students, and there are no job opportunities to everyone. If there will be a single line of straightforward thing to everyone. That's all I want to say.
Okay. Hers. Hers.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone.
Start.
This is Harsh Agrawala, and the topic today is privatization of PSUs and what is its impact. So the impact is in different fields, different things will be impacted different ways. So the first impact will be the salary. Like when the owner of PSU will change and the share of shareholding of the PSUs will change, then the supplies from where it comes and the amount of supply comes, that will change. Like earlier, the owner of the main PSU, like government, and or any other company who was the government of that PSU, they were supplying a particular amount of commodities, and there was a particular budget of it. But since now the owner has changed and the private company will come into power, then the share will change and the commodities will also change and the budget will also change. So that will be one impact. And then the another impact will be the salary of the employees and the officers. That will also be a change, because since earlier the government was the owner of the PSUs, government was paying a particular amount of money to all the people. But after privatization of PSUs, the private company will be in the power, and it will be in hands of that company, that how much that company can pay. So that will be one change. And according to my experience, when I was recently, I had done an internship in Numalika Refinery Limited, And recently, when I was doing my internship, in that time itself, the shareholding of the company changed. Earlier, BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, that company was the owner of NRL. But uh, at that time when I was doing internship, one day after I heard that the BPCL sold its share, and Government of Assam sold its share. Government of Assam had a share of about 26% earlier, but Government of Assam, that share changed and IOCL came into power. And IOCL took a approximate percentage of 81% of share of NIL. So definitely when the shareholding of BPCL has changed to IOCL, then the budget and the amount of commodities and the salary of these employees will change. So that will be a huge impact of privatization of the issues. That's all from my knowledge. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Rajat.
So yeah, so the topic of the day is the impact of privatization of PSUs. So according to me, like, if privatization, like the privatization of PSU is good as it supports the development and creates a good competition that leads to more and more achieving. And also like if government is selling its PSUs, so like they must also hold few of their assets because PSUs are the assets of the nation, and that will again be the thing that makes the government more stronger. So if government should not sell all the PSUs and they must hold their assets. And also if government is trying to, like if government is willing to sell their PSUs, so there must be a transparency. Like when they sell, so it must be known to each and everything what are the reasons and how will it impact when it goes to a hands of the private, because if we like, because the privatization leads to the monetization of each and every assets, and it also caps the erosion of the public wealth. And moreover, the free resources also for the humans and the physical infrastructures, each and everything gets capped on the name of the upside hand of the development and all. So yeah, this is
Okay.
the introduction of the topic.
Princey, it's your turn.
Sami, yeah. Yes, sir. So our topic is impact of privatization of PSU. So India has a mixed economy in which both private and public sector exist, especially in the areas of banking, telecom, road transport, education, healthcare, and etc. So when public sector enterprises were started in the country, the time has different and the needs of the country were also different. The policy that was right for the 60 years ago, there is always a room for improvement. Today, when we are doing these reforms, our biggest goal is to use public money properly. So there are many public sectors enterprises that are making losses. Many of these have to be supported by taxpayers' money in a way which is the right of the poor. It is the right of the youth filled with aspiration that money has to be used in the work of these enterprise. And due to this, the economy also has a lot of burden. So public sector enterprises do not have to run only because they have been running for so many years. They have been someone's pet project. So public sector enterprises are fully the needs of the particular sector are connected with a strategic importance. Then I can understand the need and also understand the its needs. So I write a quote, that's why I say government has no business to be in the business. The government's focus should be on the projects related to the welfare and development of the people. More and more government power, resources, and capacity should be used for welfare works. At the same time, when the government starts doing business, there's a lot of damage. So it is the responsibility of the government to give full support to the enterprises of the country, to the business, but the government itself should run the enterprises to remain its owner. In today's era, it is necessary, nor has it been possible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is left?
Sir, me, Ajay.
Yes, Ajay.
So, good evening to everyone. As the topic of today's GD is impact of privatization of PSU. So, what I think is that privatization means basically taking control under someone. So, from my point of view, we all have seen that when we have to assign some work, we cannot do it properly. But when someone control us, when someone visit us, then we do our work more efficiently. So from this kind of experience, I think that privatization will affect in a good way. Like it will make the employee which is in privatization company or will going to enter in the privatization company, they will work in more disciplined way, they will work in more efficiently. So that will obviously increase the production of any company, any PSU. It will increase the profit of that company. So a company when has better economy and better connection with each and every people, customers, buyers, then it can run more efficiently. So privatization, obviously, it will increase a company and its profit as well as its connection with people.
Okay. Who's left? Everyone done? Everyone
Yes, sir.
done now? Okay, start your own JD because there is only 10 minutes left, means 8 minutes left for the JD. Start your own JD, you will have just 6 minutes you have to discuss, means you have to say a lot and lot. You have to just start.
So one of the point that I have noticed about Saksham that he says employability will decrease and their salary will be less. So we have to notice that, and we have to break the myth of government job, that government job could not pay salary. It doesn't matter. They are paying salary, but in privatization, in private company, they are also paying good salary. But we are in when someone control, as I said, then we do our work with more efficiently. So we have to focus on economic as well as our own benefit, like our own money. So I think that should be corrected with the proper way. And
Other guys,
I'm not agree with the Ajay that he told that its salary will be less, but I want to say that if the privatization will also result in entachment of employees in private sector enterprises. There is emphasis on performance, which indirectly results in the work pressure and meeting the deadlines or targets. And individuals who have been doing work for years without much pressure find it difficult to adjust to a new setting, and many ending up resigning from their work.
other guys, just go for it.
Also, privatization will also lead to exploitation of the resources also. Like when it comes to the hands of a businessman, so they only think about the profits, and they'll just take out the beauty of that sector, and it will only be the profit business and more, like nothing more than that. It will affect his employees and each and every worker from that side, because they'll be not thinking, like PSUs are basically the public sector, so they rather than only thinking about profits, they also think for the each and like for the individual growth. But the story of private is something different, we all know about it. So
Yeah, I
yeah.
am agree with I am agree with you because in the there is no welfare state. The concept of welfare state may be get affected with the privatization of the economy. Private sector would not care about the society, as its the main objective is to earn the profit.
Yeah, that's what. So the main thing what I'm
Yeah,
telling is, in PSUs also, like they need to focus now, like for the privatization only, they need to put some share gaps. Like the government must also, like government should not sell each and every all its shares, because it is very necessary to control. Like if the private sector have can take a good control on the PSU, so why can't the government? So they need to put the caps also, and they need to like sit nicely and discuss about it. What should they do to improve their sectors and all?
I too actually agree with
Uh,
all these people. Since the power from of PSUs from government to private, it will shift to government from to private, and private people will only think of their own profit, and government will not. The economy of country will definitely decrease because of it, since the private sectors will be definitely growing their own capital. So that will be one of the disadvantage of privatization.
I want to add my point to the which was Rajat was saying about shareholding and other things. I want to say that we are the freshers and we are not actually know about how much company is getting a share or any getting profit of getting profit in any aspects. If we want to get profit of anything, the company has to develop certain situations for the employee to for the employee to get increment and other things in a company. As we can say that as an example, in a cognizant or Infosys, they get a training of any languages and other type of languages, C++, Java, and other type of things to get exceed on a particular job for a person.
Okay, over. Now it's time for the conclusion. मैंने बहुत दे दिया, इससे ज्यादा देता नहीं कंपनी, बहुत और भी थोड़ा सही देता टाइम, ठीक है? बस ये ध्यान रखना, ज्यादा खींच नहीं सकते तुम लोग. अब नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द कंक्लूजन. कोई एक अच्छे से करो. Anyone?
So basically we come into conclusion that privatization will affect in both ways, some positive way and some negative way. Positive way that companies' production rate will increase, companies' profit will increase. In negative ways that employability crisis will increase, and some of the holdings that are sharing government with a private company, that will come into transparency. That is one of the very good positive that concluded, and that's all.
Okay, over. अब कोई और कंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि हमारे पास ज्यादा है नहीं टाइम. It's only 3 minutes left. इस बार हमें ज्यादा मिल नहीं रहा टाइम जूम में, पता नहीं क्यों. Knowing that we have only 3 minutes, उसके बाद हमारा मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगा. So this time I am not giving analysis because of lack of time. We do not have time, so we will leave here. Everyone is comfortable if I will upload this video on YouTube so that you can see your and you can do your own analysis. सब कोई comfortable है?
Yes, sir.
सब कोई
Yes, sir.
yes, क्योंकि मैं इस बार एनालिसिस नहीं दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि ज्यादा देखो यहाँ पे शो कर रहा है रिमेनिंग मीटिंग टाइम इज 2 minutes 59 seconds, राइट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मेरे में तो शो कर रहा है ये चीज. मैं अभी कंक्लूड करने लगा और इफ आई विल give you feedbacks, it will up in between, so I will upload this और सभी को अपना देख सकता है कि how you have given the GD, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
How is your experience? जल्दी से बताओ सब कोई.
It was nice.
Sir, actually,
are you
today's
feeling
topic
more?
was actually good,
Topic was good.
and
Yes, sir.
we are more relevant to this topic actually because we are one who are going to enter any companies and all.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, true.
That topic was more relevant today.
Are you feeling more confident or not? That's what I want.
Yes, sir.
करवाने का मेरा
Sir, we are doing.
ये कि ये सब करने के बाद तुम्हारे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आना चाहिए, कहीं भी फेस कर सकते हो. अभी कैसा फील हो रहा है जब आपस में तुम लोग डिस्कस किए उसके बाद? How you are feeling now?
Sir, we are
सही लग रहा है, थोड़े
Nice,
और
sir.
होंगे तो अच्छा
definitely feeling
लगेगा.
confident. In
Feeling
a
ना?
few minutes. Yeah.
हाँ, तो इसे मैं अगर YouTube में सबको कंफर्टेबल है मैं अपलोड कर सकता हूँ. जल्दी बता दो, यस बोल दो सर सबको, अदरवाइज
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ऑब्जेक्शन है ही सेकंड से. और मैं अपलोड करता हूँ तो अपना स्टोरी में व्हाट्सएप स्टोरी में मैं ग्रुप में शेयर कर दूंगा. अपना व्हाट्सएप स्टोरी में ये करना एज आई एम हेल्पिंग यू ऑल, ठीक है? अगर किसी और के साथ फिर से हुआ तो ठीक है, फिर से यू विल गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी. ओके, सो दैट्स इट. किसी को और कुछ बोलना है तो कैन से. कोई कुछ पूछना मत, क्योंकि मैं आंसर देने में अब है नहीं टाइम, 1 मिनट बचा है। ओके
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ओके ओके देन, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस। कभी भी कोई दिक्कत हो वो व्हाट्सएप किया करो मेरे को, ठीक है?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure,
yeah,
sir.
all that, sir. Sure, sir.
ओके एवरीवन, बाय एवरीवन।
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Bye, everyone.